Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Govana to perform solo for the first time on a European tour. Recording artist Govana is booked to perform on the month-long tour, which signifies the Champ DJ's first solo run in the UK. The 13-city tour will see Govana performing in major cities such as Amsterdam, Zurich, Venice, Rome, Dortmund, among others. The first concert starts today in Berlin, Germany. E-Prime caught up with Govana recently where he gave an update on his musical moves.
Well, no, we're not going to the States. I know Govana still not perform in the States, so the States are bad for me. We are give them it the area, so the States are bracing me, you know. Europe are bracing me, you know. We done the Caribbean already, so we're going to do back over couple Caribbean countries this year and couple countries we never see we. You know, Central America, they said we, South America, those only places for the year, man. A mad thing, man.
The fourth Jenna DJ is currently promoting the latest single The Light featuring Dre Island, the second single from his upcoming anthology titled Humans and Monsters. Jane McGizmo unveils the remix tape One Away. Genre-defying singer Jane McGizmo today released her brand new mixtape featuring remixes of her bubbling dancehall track One Away. The 6-track compilation is an eclectic mix of genres and showcases emerging local producers, including Ayatosh and Universal Zingfans, displaying their versatility. Speaking with E-Prime recently, the Too Late singer expressed her surprise at learning that teen sensation Coffee is inspired by her vocals.
It's crazy because she's telling me that she's listening to me from she in high school, so that was just crazy for me, you know, like you don't know until you know. So just knowing that I connected with her even before the collab came about is amazing.
She also gave details on her upcoming EP.
I'm working on my EP right now. I'm writing away, putting in the work and putting together. I loving how it sounds and love the tracking, so get ready for that.
Jane McGizmo is best known for the tracks Too Late and Babylon. Now to news overseas, where Donald Glover leads the 2019 NAACP Image Award nominations. Donald Glover and his alter ego Childish Gambino is now nominated for 5 NAACP Image Awards. On the film side, Glover is nominated for his acting and directing on the hit show Atlanta, whilst the show itself is nominated for Best Comedy Series. Now on the music side, Childish Gambino is nominated for Top Male Performer, and his song This Is America is nominated for Best Video and Song. The announcement is on the heels of his big night at the Grammys, where the Redbone singer picked up 4 Gramophone Awards. Now, Black Panther, the film, is nominated for 14 awards, with the star Chadwick Boseman and director Ryan Coogler nominated for Entertainer of the Year, along with Beyonce, LeBron James, and Regina King. The film was also nominated for Best Motion Picture, along with the Spike Lee directed Black Klansman, Crazy Rich Asians, If Beale Street Could Talk, and The Hate You Give. The 50th NAACP Image Awards honoring entertainers and writers of color will be held on March 30 in Hollywood. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.